If your Ford F150's transmission is shuddering, kind of like it's doing a little dance every time you hit the gas, don't panic. I've got you covered with a simple guide to get you back on the road, smooth as ever. First, let's talk basics. Transmission shudder usually happens because your transmission fluid is old, dirty, or low. So, step 1, check your fluid. Park on a level surface, pop your hood, and pull that dipstick. If the fluid's brown or smells burnt, it's definitely time to swap it out. Next up, a fluid change. You'll need a drain pan, a ratchet, and new transmission fluid. Check your owner's manual for the right type. Loosen the transmission pan bolts, let the old fluid drain out, then replace the filter if your model has one. Bolt the pan back on, pour in the new fluid, and make sure it's filled to the right level. Now take your F150 for a spin. If the shudder's gone, congrats. If not, it might be time for a transmission additive, something like Lubigard or Dr. Tranny. Pour it in, drive a bit, and see if things improve. Still shaking? Then it's worth having a pro check your torque converter, or look for deeper transmission issues, but 9 times out of 10, fresh fluid does the trick. Remember, keep your transmission happy, and your truck will stay reliable for years. Catch you next time.